Hyderabad is Telangana's largest and most populous city and is the major urban center of all of South Central Interior India. This city was founded by the Qutub Shahi Sultans of Golconda. With a population of over 6.7 million people, the city is the fourth largest city in India. According to a media article published in the year 2018, the city of Pearls, having such a massive population, produces over 5,000 tons of daily waste, out of which only 25% is segregated. This is certainly not Swachh music to ears of Hyderabad residents, who generate the highest per capita waste in India. The high volume of per capita garbage generation in Hyderabad has thus put a huge burden on the civic body with a massive problem of segregation of municipal solid waste. Henceforth, the civic body had decided to embody the nickname of the Hyderabad, the high-tech city, in its waste management as well. With the launch of advanced compactors for collection and transportation, modernization of transfer stations, and setting up of 90 mini collection and transport points, a new chapter is being unveiled in the municipal solid waste management system in Hyderabad. One compactor truck will clear waste collected by 30 Swachh water tippers a day. These vehicles are being introduced in the city following Minister K.T. Ramarao's directions to do away open waste trucks that cause inconvenience to other road users. All these measures are being taken as a part of the Swachh Hyderabad and Swachh Telangana initiatives. Over 44 lakh bins were distributed to promote segregation of dry and wet waste, and 2000 SATs were introduced. Prior to the launch of Swachh water tippers, about 3,500 tons of garbage was collected every day in GHMC limits. This has gone up to 6,000 tons a day now. With advanced compactors, collection and transportation of garbage is expected to be more effective.